Okay, it's a June 2010 question on completing this square. So there's a coefficient in front of x squared, so we need to factorise that out first. So outside the square bracket, leave the minus 7 at the end. So factorising out here, we get x squared plus 6x. Then what we need to do is complete the square for inside the square bracket. So keep the 2 and the 7, minus 7, and complete the square for this. So we get a bracket with an x and a squared to start. Whatever sign is you put in the middle, half this to give us 3. Then there's always a minus outside the bracket. Take this last number and square it. There. Then we multiply everything by 2. So we get 2 times this bracket. 2 times minus 9 gives us minus 18. And then the minus 7 isn't affected because it's outside that square bracket. So we end up with 2x plus 3 squared minus 18 minus 7 gives us minus 25. When they ask for the 3 values, A is 2 from here, B is 3, positive 3, and C is negative 25. Part B then says find the least value of 6x squared plus 36x minus 17. So when you have a question like this, the least value comes from the bit on the outside, so the part C. But we always need to compare the two equations. If we look at these two, there's a difference between them. Okay, we've got 2x squared has become 6x, it's got 3 times bigger. 12x has become 36x, so that's got 3 times bigger. If I make this one 3 times bigger, minus 7 times 3 is minus 21, so that hasn't quite got there. Okay, so it has got 3 times bigger, but we also need to look at what's happened to this. So 3 times minus 7 is minus 21. But to get from minus 21 to minus 17, we need to add on 4. So that's what's happened between those two equations. Now then, for the least value, LV, we normally, like I said, take this part here. Okay? But instead of it just being that, it's got 3 times bigger and we've added 4. So we'll take our least value, we'll make it 3 times bigger, and then we'll add on 4. So minus 75 plus 4 is minus 71.